Stop scrolling for a moment. Let me ask you something.
Many people study English for years, but when it's time to speak, they suddenly become silent. Why does that happen?
Because they learn grammar and vocabulary, but they don't practice daily sentences.
Speaking English is not about knowing thousands of difficult words.
Exactly. Speaking English is about using simple sentences every day.
And today, we will share 10 powerful daily English sentences that beginners can use in real life.
If you practice these sentences every day, your English speaking confidence will improve faster than you think.
So listen carefully and repeat after us. Sentence 1. Daily practice.
The first sentence is very simple but very powerful. Sentence: I am learning English every day.
This sentence shows your commitment. Example: I am learning English every day to improve my communication skills.
Now repeat after me. I am learning English every day.
Sentence 2. Asking for help.
Our second sentence is something you can use anywhere. Sentence: Can you help me, please?
This is a polite way to ask for help. Example: Can you help me with this question?
Now repeat after me. Can you help me, please?
Sentence 3. When you don't understand.
Sometimes you may not understand something, and that is completely normal. Sentence: I don't understand.
You can also say, I don't understand. Could you explain it again?
Repeat after me. I don't understand.
Sentence 4. Asking someone to speak slowly.
Sometimes people speak English very fast. When that happens, you can say, Sentence: Could you speak more slowly?
This is a very useful sentence for beginners. Example: Could you speak more slowly, please?
Now repeat it. Could you speak more slowly?
Sentence 5. Learning new words.
When learning English, you will hear many new words. In that situation, you can say, Sentence: What does this word mean?
Example: What does this word mean in English?
Repeat after me. What does this word mean?
Sentence 6. Showing motivation.
Now let's look at another powerful sentence. Sentence: I would like to learn more English.
This sentence shows your interest and motivation. Example: I would like to learn more English to communicate better.
Repeat after me. I would like to learn more English.
Sentence 7. Showing interest.
When someone tells you something exciting, you can say, Sentence: That sounds interesting. Example: Your idea sounds interesting. Repeat after me. That sounds interesting.
Sentence 8. Taking a moment to think before answering.
In that situation, you can say, Sentence: Let me think about it.
This sentence gives you time and sounds polite. Repeat after me. Let me think about it. Sentence 9. Agreeing with someone's opinion.
When you agree with someone's opinion, you can say, Sentence: I agree with you. Example: I agree with you. That is a great idea.
Repeat after me. I agree with you. Sentence 10. Meeting someone.
Our final sentence is one of the most common English expressions. Sentence: Nice to meet you.
You can use this when you meet someone for the first time. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Great. Now let's practice all 10 sentences together. Repeat after us.
1. I am learning English every day. 2. Can you help me, please? 3. I don't understand. 4. Could you speak more slowly? 5. What does this word mean? 6. I would like to learn more English. 7. That sounds interesting. 8. Let me think about it. 9. I agree with you. 10. Nice to meet you.
Excellent. If you repeat these sentences every day, your speaking confidence will grow faster than you think.
Here are 3 simple tips to improve your English speaking. Tip number 1, speak slowly. Tip number 2, practice every day. Tip number 3, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Remember, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The secret is consistent practice.
If you practice just 10 sentences every day, you will notice improvement within a few weeks.
English is not difficult. You just need the right practice and consistency.
Now it's your turn. Which sentence was your favorite today?
Write it in the comments and practice speaking it today.
And follow for more daily English podcasts with Amelia and Sunny.
See you in the next episode. Bye.